Hello, good afternoon all of you. I'm Shekhar Sharma again with you for class 7th Mathematics Chapter 8 Commercial Mathematics. At first, let's understand some terms. Ratio. A ratio is a numerical relation of one quantity to another of the same type. This is a comparison of two numbers, and the numbers which form the ratio are called its terms. Proportions. When two ratios are equal, their terms are said to be in a proportion. If A upon B equal C upon D, then A, B, C, D are in proportions and can be written as A ratio B proportion, this is the mark of proportion, C ratio D. The numbers A and D are called extremes. As we can see, extremes. And B and C are called mean or middle terms. B and C. So, A upon B equal C upon D is to be said as AD equal BC. And it forms a formula product of mean equal product of extreme. When three terms A, B and C are in proportions, then A upon B equal B upon C. That is B square equal AC. Here B is called the mean proportion and C is called the third proportion of A and B. Next is unitary method. The unitary method is a simple way of solving any mathematical problem. In this method, we first find the value of one quantity and then find the value of the required number of quantities. It has two terms or ways: direct variation and inverse variation. Now let's start with revision exercise. Find the ratio. Part A, 3 dozen to 8 dozen means 3 dozen ratio 8 dozen. Here it is 3 upon 8. Now there is no HCF, so that would be 3 upon 8. Now which forms a proportion? For that we must use the formula product of mean and product of extremes. 8 multiply 9, 2 multiply 36, 72, 72. Yes. 2, 9, 8 and 36 are in the proportions. Find the value of x. Again we will use the same. 3 multiply 25 equal 5 multiply x. So to find the value of x, 3 multiply 25 divided by 5. Here it is 5 5 is 25 and 5 3 is 15. So value of x is 15. Find the value of mean proportion. Here only two values are given there. Mean proportion is asked. So this formula is being used for this. B square equal AC. B square equal 25 multiply 400. B equal square root of 25 multiply 400. And it will be solved as B equal 25 is 5 square, 400 is 20 square, in multiply in between. 5 multiply 20 is 100. So you can say that 25 ratio 100 proportion 100 ratio 400. This is the term. Now the ratio between two numbers is 9:5 and their sum is 448. Let the numbers be 9x and 5x. According to question, 9x plus 5x equal 448. 9 plus 5, 14x. 448 x equal 448 is divided by 14 and 448. Now as you can see, 14 3s are 42. Now 2 is reminder there, 8 is down, 14 2s are 28. So 9x equal, or first number 9x equal 9 multiplied by 32. Second number 5x 5 multiply 32. These would be the answers. So let's multiply. 9 2s are 18. 9 3s are 27 and plus 1 28. Here it is, 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16. Thank you. Have a nice day.